So y'all give it up for Miss Peace.
Thank you. Peace, y'all.
Peace.
I'm going to share this piece with you. It's called Music. It just kind of describes my love and my passion that I have for music. Music, you instantly de-stress me. Even when I'm not the best me, you test me with the best of yourself. To command, I do me better. You rejuvenate and caress me, even in my vulnerable sleep, making my subconscious want to stay awake forever, creating for you. Relating to you, you impress me year after year, how you continuously stay tuned in my ear, despite the negativity I hear flowing through your atmosphere of life. I can sift through. I never fear not having you around. Somewhere close, even with no words, no sound, I can still feel you. Most of all, down in my soul, you've healed wounds that I never thought could heal. You've given me vision my imagination would have never thought was real. You've resonated through my bones, sounds and beats that my ancestors could feel. You have ignited my fire and fueled my will. You are the medicine, the therapy, the antidote, the cure, the cope that helps me deal with my day-to-day reality and hope that you remain humble. Some say you're loud and arrogant and responsible for the condition that the children are in. But you're the only thing with life that's not living in sin. They don't know you like I know you. You've never lied to me. You are the truth. Despite being tampered with, igniting freedom. Despite being a hampered gift to the world, worlds refuse to uplift you, yes. Because you will always be caught doing what you do best. You comfort irritated wounds that carry life. You soothe the irritated fetuses being carried in strife. You mellow out the addicted, resuming consciousness to the conflicted, emancipating the shackled souls of the enslaved, reconstructing narrow roads less traveled that haven't been paved, quieting the unsettled spirits of the engraved, giving hope to mothers who thought their seed couldn't be saved. They don't know you like I know you. You've never misused me. You taught me how to retrieve you. Even when there's nothing in my environment to conceive you, I'll defend you. Even when others express thoughts offend you, you never left me alone and I'll never leave you. If you told me, better yet if you showed me you was God, I would have to believe you. You're always in my head. You're all I do, my boo. You're classic. You're everywhere I never been and better than I ever been. Timeless. You're always and forever. Like diamonds, you're a survivor. Take me higher. Thanks for making me a fighter. Your love is king. The song I sing, my one in a million, my everything. A smooth operator with grandma's hands. You're my lover, my friend. Something I can't comprehend. My sunshine has come like summertime. Heavy on my mind. A beautiful surprise. Never ever hard to find. You are the truth. Submerged in the fountain of youth. Makes me believe I can fly like a ribbon in the sky. Like a starship on cloud 9. I'm so high, you ain't no joke. Unforgettable in every way. Inseparable from the time I was born up until today. Irreplaceable if I had my way. They don't know you like I know you. You came to break away the chains, take away the pain, remake the brains, reveal your name. Music. Thank you.